Why nobody respects you and how to fix it fast. You keep wondering why nobody respects you, but the truth is, respect isn't something you get just for existing. It's something you earn by how you carry yourself, how you speak, how you show up every single day, even when it's hard, uncomfortable, or inconvenient. And right now, the way you carry yourself screams insecurity, screams approval seeking, screams weakness. And whether you realize it or not, people can smell it, they can feel it, and they treat you exactly how you present yourself, like someone who tolerates disrespect, silence, mediocrity, and invisibility. And the harsh truth is, nobody respects someone who doesn't respect themselves. And no, self-respect isn't just positive self-talk or believing in yourself when you're doing nothing to back it up. It's how you walk into a room, how you look people in the eye, how you say no without justifying, how you draw boundaries and enforce them like your life depends on it, how you demand better from yourself and from others. And most of you have been conditioned to think being nice, being agreeable, being the person who never causes problems is the path to being liked. But liked is not the same as respected. And deep down you know it, because you keep bending over backwards for people who don't give a damn about you. You keep tolerating disrespect disguised as jokes. Keep playing small so you don't offend anyone. And worst of all, you keep betraying yourself to keep other people comfortable. And that's the exact reason your confidence is in the gutter and people don't take you seriously. Because when you won't even stand up for your own self-worth, why the hell would anyone else? And the fix isn't complicated, but it is hard. It starts with drawing the line, not in the sand, but in stone, and saying, this is who I am. This is what I allow. This is what I don't. And when people cross it, you don't smile and shrink. You correct them, you speak up, you stand tall, even if your voice shakes. Because every time you let something slide that disrespects you, your mind records it as permission. And soon enough, your entire identity becomes someone who tolerates nonsense. And then you wonder why your relationships suck, why people don't listen when you talk, why you get ghosted, walked on, dismissed, or ignored, because you trained them that way. And now you've got to retrain them, which starts by retraining yourself. And you do that by choosing power over peace, truth over comfort, growth over validation, and discipline over emotion. Because respect isn't given to the one with the best intentions, the kindest heart, the most potential. It's given to the one who backs their words with action, who owns their space without apology, who refuses to play the role of the doormat, the follower, the background character in their own damn life. And don't you dare confuse confidence with cockiness. This isn't about arrogance. This is about ownership, about deciding that you are done settling for crumbs, done watering yourself down for weak people, done dimming your own light because others can't handle your glow. And if you want people to stop treating you like a joke, you have to stop acting like the punchline. Stop giving away your power just to avoid discomfort. Stop hoping someone will come along and validate what you don't even believe about yourself. And instead, start walking like you mean it, talking like you own it, working like you're building an empire even if no one's watching, because that's how respect starts. When you start moving like someone who doesn't beg for approval, doesn't need permission, and doesn't flinch in the face of judgment, rejection, or resistance. And let me be brutally clear, you don't get respect by asking for it. You get it by becoming undeniable, by getting so locked in on your standards, your boundaries, your purpose, that people either rise to meet you or get the hell out of the way. And when you do that, the world shifts. Not because it suddenly woke up and decided to respect you, but because you did. And that energy is contagious, that strength is magnetic, and that version of you, the one who stopped playing weak, stopped people-pleasing, stopped shrinking into the corner, is the version that commands respect without ever needing to demand it. So if you're ready to stop being overlooked, underestimated, ignored, or disrespected, you have one job. Become the person you'd respect if you met them on the street, and then show up as that person every day until it's no longer an act. It's who you are, because when you become that version of yourself, respect won't be something you chase. It'll be something people give you without question.